Hey guys, so going to be doing something a little bit different for this video. This is my CRF450L, it's a 2019, and I actually rode this all summer last year. Didn't really make any videos about it, but this is kind of a new thing for me. And I've done a few things to the bike so far, just like Barkbusters tires, blah, 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 because it comes with dual sport tires, with handles on, things like that, just to make it a little better for off-road. But today, we are going to be putting a decal kit on the bike that makes it look a little bit better. This is a 2018 replica Honda Canada Racing kit, and it's got my name and number on the decal, and then they also actually made this kit specifically for the L because I have a headlight, but the kit is actually for a 450X, which does not have the same headlight and whatnot. But yeah, so I've never actually done a kit before. I've never applied decals, and I heard that I might have to trim a few of the holes just to fit things, but we'll figure it out. Let's get started, and hopefully I don't totally screw this up.
Sorry, look at my clip, I got dope. I better roll like snow. Bitches that clean of this soap. Get them out that she choke. Couple of pins in my mouth. Couple of bands in the south. I pay the bands in the west. Then take the bands in the south. Look at my wallet, it's a 50. When you new girlfriend like 50. I think if they wanna kiss it, I let her tell me no kissing. Whipping Jeff Hard in the kitchen.
And it prevents your rotor from getting fucked if you drop it on rocks.
Is it metal or plastic?
It's plastic.
Oh, okay.
Plastique.
Yeah,
probably
metal
better,
stuff,
honestly.
Yeah, metal
Yeah.
stuff doesn't go back to where it was.
Yeah. 36!
I'm sure you're the only person in the world who's ever put fucking 69 on a fucking dirt bike.
I am. Ever.
It's true, I know every dirt bike in the world and they haven't even thought of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It also has my name on it.
Oh yeah, I guess fucking
Yeah.
Byron's RM's got 69 on it, doesn't it?
Probably.
Yeah, it's on the
Yeah.
license
Sick.
plate. That one that was leaning against the bush all night. Because he fucking brought it there with a blown head.
Diamonds they wet like a fish. You don't want friends, I want Audis. I don't want cars, I want Rarries. I don't want friends, I want Audis. I don't want cars, I want Audis. I don't want friends, I want Audis. I don't want friends, I want Audis. I think it be looking soft. I just pulled up in the Rarries. I don't want hoes, I want check. I put like 10 on my knee. I think it be one to 10. Bitch ain't no fix, I want leg. Lay that bitch straight on the bed.
Well, I would say that this turned out pretty damn good. It's my first time applying vinyl, and I actually got the technique down pretty good. So maybe if you guys like this sort of thing, then maybe we'll start doing some more bike videos. I do have a couple more things I want to do to this bike. And I think everybody likes content, right? I like making content, so the more stuff I can put out, then the better. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.